Hey, welcome back to Let's Take It, your boy Lucky, and today we're going to check out the iPhone 11 Pro case. This is from Humixx. These actually make phone cases, they make USB-C hubs. I've used their products in the past, but today we're going to check out their latest iPhone 11 Pro case. This is one of their military grade protection case. But yeah, let's begin with the video. So this case, which is for just under $20, which is a decent price for a recognized case. So we've got the packaging here. My packaging did get damaged in transit, but we've got the logo there, Humixx mobile case made for phone. Premium materials. On the back, we've got full protection, ultra slim, perfect fit, or fit perfectly. Yeah, let's open this up. So inside we've got the case itself, and we do have a thank you card / 12 months free extended warranty. So if you want to do that, which is nice, so let's put that to the side. Let's get the case out itself. Ooh, this looks and feels really strong. So as you can see, this one's got the military drop protection. Great. So you can see we've got a lot of protection here. Wait, this black bit actually is on the inside bit, and we've got some silicone around it. That looks nice, I have to say that. That's unusual. I've seen where the black border is fully black, but this just got the black touch. Looks nice. Let me put this on my phone. So this case is only $20. You can probably pick it up for $18, $19 depending on the time of this video. Well, let me put this into my phone. So we're going to start with the volume rocker. Just push it in fully. So that's in fully, and I can see we do have a screen protector, a film on top. So let's peel that off. That looks nice. So you can see it's a very thick case. So let's try out the buttons. Works fine. Nice and clicky. Let's try the volume rockers. Works fine. I don't need to press really hard. I can just press them light and it works. Mute switch. Ooh, as in really far, but I can reach it just. So depending on your finger, you might be able to reach it, but it does have an extended cutout, so it is like groove in more than it looks, but that's nice. On the back, the camera is fully protected, as you can see. And the cutout is not the same cutout as the camera itself. It's actually got like a design feature, which actually looks nice. You got this curve here, then you got another curve, then you got the phone itself. And we've got just a light branding here with the Humixx logo, which is really hard to see. At the bottom, we got perfect cutouts for your speaker grill and your lightning port, which is nice and big. And then you have this black border just going around everywhere. Let's look at the front lip protection, and that's got a lot of lip protection, as you can see, which is very good. So this is going to at least give you some drop protection. So this is 3M military grade drop protected, which is really good. So you're going to get some nice drop protection, probably up to 3 meters protection, which is really good. 3 meters, yeah, it's 3 meters, which is really nice. And you do get your front lip, so if you drop your phone downwards, you're not going to scratch your screen straight away, which is good. But you can always use the screen protector to get a bit more protection for your front screen. But yeah, so you don't crack your screen. But I prefer mine without screen protectors. But this case is on the bulky side. I have to say that, yes, it did say it was ultra slim. I'm not going to say this is slim in any way. This feels really bulky. Feels kind of big in my hand. It makes my phone look like an iPhone 11 now in size wise. But yeah, it's nice. I like this black touch they're doing inside, probably to help with the protection of the phone, but looks unique as well. Instead of just going fully black, they just kept the black inside only. Let's get rid of the camera. But yeah, the case for $20 may seem expensive, but it is giving you that protection. So in case you drop your phone or you smash it, you know you're gonna have that extra protection on your case. And for the price, it does a great job. Yes, it would be nice to see like some different color options, like a proper full black version or something like that in a darker color. This see-through color is fine, transparent. I can see the color of my phone, which is nice, which I always want to see because I am losing the idea of what color phone I have with so many cases changing each day. But yeah, this is really nice, I have to say. And for the price, I'm happy with it. If you do want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description as always. But yeah, this is my review of the Humixx case. If you do want to check it out, there's always the link in the description. But yeah, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one. Take care.